I'm Bobby Whitaker. I'm founder of Soul TV.
Hi, I'm Steve Whitaker. My nickname is Rock, and I hope you enjoy fun recipes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
You got your vanilla wafers. You got your bananas. You got some milk here.
I'm gonna go ahead and pour in 4 right now. Bananas next. I like to start off in the middle so I can spread it out easier. Cool Whip works. Here's the other half of the pudding. That. I like to start with the middle. And it's
okay, so we'll be back in 45 minutes.
I'm here at the taste testers. All right. There we go. Anybody home?
Yes.
Yes, there's somebody here. One for you. This is the glamorous Chick-fil-A.
I got a cherry.
And what did you like? What did you like about it?
All of it.
So good. Hey, be sure to like and subscribe and follow. And thank you for watching Soul TV. And remember, love, peace, and soul food. See you next time. Bye.